How's it going, everyone? I've talked about this trade before, this ticker called BHAT in the Discord before. A lot of people were pumping it. I just want to do a recap analysis so you guys understand where I'm coming from. A lot of people are asking me, what do you think about it now? It has lots of volume. This is, tons of volume, 482 million on February 19th. Today we had 118 million. This day we hit over a billion volume. But you can see even on like one of the biggest days of volume we had right in here, it still couldn't penetrate the EMA 50 or like couldn't be above it. And are we going to get that kind of volume again? We'll see. But the matter of the fact is, the more you look at this, we've been under 10 cents for a very long time. Okay, this thing is screaming for a reverse split. It needs to do that. It's going to have to do that eventually. Organically, getting this over $1 is just probably not going to happen. This is located in China, so we've known that China has had big dumps, but they also can get massive moves up too at the same time. So, if you're going to play my system, I know there's tons and tons of ways to play this. I do the basic analysis of what is the trend. Easiest way to see that is the EMA 50 at the top, and when EMAs are above price action, that means they're going to be resistance. And there's plenty of other. I personally use the EMA 50, 20, 10, and 5. They're the most consistent. I don't. You can go higher, but these are the best in my opinion. And you can just kind of see where, well, when price, gets near these EMAs, there tends to be a rejection, especially on the biggest EMA, which is this 50 that I use. And downtrend stocks get hit and they go plummeting down. You can see right here back in December of 2024, we had this massive volume up, 174 million. We had this massive move up, but it doesn't matter as it can't be sustained. And we did that again right in here. And I can probably find you many, many other times where it could easily plummet down on the 22. We just don't know exactly which one it wants to go. And you can see we've been in a downtrend ever since. Yeah, you have your pumps, right? You have your pumps and they go down, pumps, it goes down. But the grand scheme of things is that this thing is headed down. Every pump is heading down, right? But once they come out with whatever, they're going to reverse split, then I would say, hey, maybe you can look at it then. But the thing that I told people too is when I looked at this thing, I always look at first, are we near this lower Keltner band? This is going to give you the biggest signals. This is going to give you the most A plus setups for bottom trend reversal type of setup. If that's not realistic, because price does this kind of thing where price goes up big, then you can see how this Keltner channel goes down when price is going up. And so then we can use the factor of, hey, if you've watched my swing trading education videos, I have EMA 5 strategy. So how would I play just the EMA 5, which is my most favorite strategy, playing small caps, pennies, especially under 10 cents, on how do you get precise entries. But basically, when you see the EMA 5 not getting touched for a while, you look for price to come up to it. But if you see anything like this, where you see a gap down right in here through these lines, then price is going to take longer to touch the EMA 5. And so basically, that's literally what we have here. So we know price is going to come to the 5. We know that for certain, but we also want to make sure we're getting at a really good average. So when it does touch the 5, we make massive money. Right in here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 daily candles. When we hit this 5 to a T, comes back here, and then even goes all the way up to this EMA 10. And you can see from here, I would have waited at least 7 daily candles, in my opinion, because of this gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all this was your load zone from this high to this. I mean, it wasn't really much to make, and unless it hits the 10, which it did this 10 and made you 28%. And this is why you never want to buy into here, because you're essentially hoping like, hey, we go to the next EMA, but that doesn't happen a lot. And as you can see, we gap down again. These were solid entries. But me personally, since I saw this gap, I just didn't take it because I'm a more conservative player and I thought it would take longer. But we had a monster move up. There's nothing perfect in trading, so they really wanted to push it up from here. We went from 3 cents. I mean, you can't deny the fact this was a massive pump, 300% gain from here. That was pretty good. So would the question is, do you buy it now? The volume's good. How do we analyze it? Me personally, it's just I say sit on your hands. That's my honest opinion. If I was in this, if I was down some, I would look to take either take a minor loss, take a minor gain. Just really depends how you are. If you got it way up in this 14 cents, try not to buy it up in this upper counter channel or near the EMA 50. Heck, try not to buy it even near the EMA 20, as these are going to be your strong resistance zones. And price could have easily went to this 20, which it did, reject some, and even made new lows. But we'll see what this is. Reverse split is just screaming for one. We've seen a lot of them do it. Has this one done it before? Looks like it has not done it since May of 2022, and it was only for 1 for 10. So we'll see what it does. I personally think that will be your opportunity once it does the RS. Then a lot more people would want to get in it, because as for me, I'm on the sidelines, because I'm like, one, we're just on these EMAs. Yeah, we can go up, down. Just not really my type of setup. And then two, if you're under 10 cents this long, you've been under 10 cents since all the way back here in January. So, they have to get compliance here. So we'll see what happens. If you guys want to join a premium Discord, learn how I like to trade, learn my actual alerts. We've made lots of good alerts today, making very nice alerts on how to trade with the trend and against the trend. You can see them all here on the swing trade alerts. Alerted right in here. We played BBAI up over 10%, literally the day of that I bought it. I took some bigger cap stocks that you can see right in here. I took Lay's right here on the EMA 20. I'm up over close to 30% on that one. And everything I post is, the trades that I take. You can, follow along and anything. But if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please read how to subscribe. But all you would have to do is click this day trade alerts here. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer. And it's actually best, and I recommend everyone doing that, because you can avoid the iOS fee that they do charge. If you don't have a computer, make sure you use your web browser on your Android. Simple thing is, just hit day trade alerts. You'll get access to everything. My day trading strategy has always been my favorite. I tell that to you guys every video. I want everyone to try it. It is not that complicated. It might seem confusing when you look at an alert like this and you be like, what the heck is this? I will show you guys everything that you need to do on how to use this day trading strategy and win pretty much over 90% of the time, and win almost every day, and saying, this is how much money I want to make in the market. If you want to make $200 every day, this is the account size I'll tell you need, and you can do that every single day. And it's a really nice strategy. Low risk, high reward. I think you guys are gonna love it. I choose 0 DTE selling credit spreads. But and then when I look to buy stocks, I post that in the swing trade alerts. Click day trade alerts, get access to everything. For this promotional video, you can get everything, all my services, future knowledge, past knowledge, the education you need, how to set up your charts, live streams, one-on-one coaching, anything you need to be successful for $12 a month. It sounds really good. And I am going to go up in price and time, so I wanted to lock it in for just new members. If you're just new members, you never joined the Discord server, as long as you stay with me, you have a lifetime discount. If you go away, and I'm totally fine with that, I just wanted to give you guys a chance. I've been a full-time trader. It's worked for me. I'm sure I can find some like-minded people that love this system and how I find bottom reversals and how I do it safely. And I'll show you guys one of my most favorite trades that I took way back, CYN, that met a bottom reversal trading against the trend. This is the same exact setup that I look for of how to find this massive pump up. We made 300%, way bigger than 300% here, and I bought alert here, almost 400%, way bigger than BHAT, and we're getting very precise entries at the lows doing this exact system. All right, guys, hope to see you in the Discord. Happy trading. That's my analysis on BHAT. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm open for all kind of ideas. I can kind of see, like, right in here you have a trend line, some lower break-in right here, and then we have a new channel coming in, so we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, join the Discord, and I'll see you there.